Two of those lines in England back in the 60s. I remember seeing her on a railway station. It's a memory some of us might have from way back then. It's not folk again, once again, it's not folk.
She was the first Afro-American woman who actually played electric guitar.
Yes, she
songs.
did.
She went from acoustic to electric.
What was her name again?
Sister Rosetta Tharpe.
Yeah.
Rosetta
Played an S.G.
Tharpe.
Gibson, Sister Rosetta Tharpe.
Check her out on YouTube.
Well, the sun disappeared and the sky got black. The clouds started gathering over the shack. The thunder boomed and the lightning cracked. Look out, Jack. Didn't it rain? Children, didn't it rain? We got a washed up spat out, the cat washed down the drain. And now the climate's changing, it's gonna come around again.
The clouds came rumbling over the hill. The dark and mean and red to spill. The thunder boomed and the lightning cracked. Look out, Jack, it's back.
Didn't it rain? Children, didn't it rain? We got a washed up spat out, the cat washed down the drain. And the climate's changing, it's gonna come around again. Well, the rain had the windows out in the pane. Beat on the doors again and again. The rain started howling like never before. Then the rain came up through the floor. Didn't it rain? Didn't it rain? The rain didn't seem that began to flow. Pretty soon we were floating down the street like a boat.
Took us down the river a ways, put us down with the Lord's will. We were halfway up the hill.
Didn't it rain? Didn't it rain? The one stop spat out, the cat went down the drain. Didn't it rain, children? Didn't it rain? The cat came back and washed down the drain again. Didn't it rain, children? Didn't it rain? Didn't it rain, children? Didn't it rain? Well, rain, 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 rain. Didn't it rain, 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 rain? Didn't it rain, 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 rain? Didn't it rain, rain?